Do you like that present? Yeah, you got lots of stuff. Books and shoes and more books and what else? Clothes and nice piece of jewelry and Duplos and a cell phone. Yeah! Woo, 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 woo. But the doggy is your favorite, isn't it? Thank you, Uncle Stefan. Yeah. That's quite rough, Lily. Oh, you're training the doggy. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, give the doggy a nice pet.